Penna,
Penna the proud.
never seen the like. Man of complete honesty, trustworthy, industrious, hardest working labourer I've ever had on my estate.
Poor Penna.
Poor Penna. Every task committed to his care was executed with the utmost skill and speed. And that lovely wife, what was her name?
Honor.
Honor. Such a beauty. She was as hard-working as he, and they loved each other, looked after each other.
Poor Honor.
Poor Penna. Oh, but come, this is Harvest Festival. Drink, music,
He pursued and insisted.
Stalked and persisted.
Hunted and hounded.
Followed and flattered.
But I found him distasteful and let him know it.
His ego was battered.
Kernow became the hind.
Estate manager. Panger. Plough that field. Go on then, move it! Faster, man! Put your back into it!
Come on, girl, come on. Turn round.
Come on, let's go to the top of the field to do. Move it, man! Harder! Faster!
What a grand job! Absolutely splendid, Elizabeth. Well done, Kernow.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, come on, Penna! Fix that fence and build that barn! Move it, man! Come on! Put some effort into it! Harder, man! We haven't got all day! Faster, come on! Call that work! Come on, that fence is a line-up. The cows will jump over that. Put some effort into it, hang up. big enough.
Allez, up!
Absolutely splendid piece of work. Superb. Oh, what a man. Never seen a like. Salt to the earth.
Thank you.
Salt to the earth.
Well, come on, Perra. The cows need milking.
Come on, girls, come on!
Move it, man.
Come on! Come on! Go, go, go! Come on! Come on! In your school!
Good job. Well, you wish you had me more. You wish I had me more.
Have some faith here, come on.
Prove it!
Grand job. Superb piece. You're a really good job there, Kernow. Salt to the earth. Never seen a like.
Thank you, Bob, thank you. Go on then, girls, into the grass. Come on, you can issue a bit of rest. Come on. On you go.
Though the height was unfair and a cruel boss to bear.
Every task committed to Perranporth was executed with great skill and speed.
Tough, executed with great skill and speed. And his solace was his daughter, Selina.
Selina's 18 now.
Lovely skin. So white. Not natural. Not normal.
She don't like church. Seen her shadow when she passes the church stile.
Her mother used to bathe her in the sea. Fell in when she was little.
Disappeared, should have drenched.
'Tis said the mermaid saved her. Never been the same since.
Weird.
She's always down by the ocean.
Yeah. Whoa! My word! A peasant girl bathing! How exciting! Yeah! Whoa! Walter Tremouve, Squire's nephew, down for a spot of holes. And what a splendid day! Such a bold and beautiful part of the world. And what a picture you are, my dear, if you don't mind me saying. Been frolicking? Oh, how absolutely gorgeous. Your hair flows like the waves, the sparkle in your eyes, like the sun reflected into the sea. Good day to you, sir, my dear. Yeah! canals.
What should it be today, sir? Fishing? Shooting? Riding? I have the best horse on the estate at your disposal. Ah!
Well, the only sport that interests me is that in the pursuit of the fairest sex. Now, that peasant girl on the beach was indeed attractive game, but alas, I've rarely seen her except in the presence of her darn father.
Right? What a fine filly! She couldn't resist you, sir. Oh, enjoy the game of courtship with a girl. Her innocence is merely a mask. Oh, lovely bit of fishing. She's indeed fair game. A great sport shall be had. I'll take care of the father, but 'tis important to keep the squire in the dark. Oh, she'll like a man like you, sire. Rich.
Oh! You certainly know how to enjoy this country life, Chanels.
Here, I heard the squire's employed Penna to renovate one of his farms down Land's End.
Some job could be gone for months.
You mean he can't leave the village?
I don't like the sound of that. Best man for the job.
Suppose.
Come sit beside me and let us talk of love.
Yeah!
Stars are beautiful. Stars are beautiful. But they are pale besides the light that was so beautiful to me.
You're back. It's been gone some months now. Shame. How's your daughter? All people who keep themselves above other people are bound to be pulled down. We have a young squire for a son-in-law. Will you chuck them in, eh? Money in the bank. Down for a spot of holes. I want to pitch you off, my dear, if you don't mind me saying. Been frolicking. Your hair flows like the waves. The sparkle in your eyes.
It was brought to my attention that Pennaluna had severely assaulted the estate manager, and that the Penners had set a trap to capture my nephew, Walter's roof. Well, they intended to claim money for some assumed misfortune. I immediately dismissed Penner from the service. Oh, had I foreseen the consequences. Such poverty. Poor Penner. Poor Anna. Poor Selina. Taken from us by child.
Here, has anyone got any drink?
Oh, let's have a bit
It's
of
a
party.
desperate
Cheer
times.
yourselves up, eh? Come on.
How are we doing? All right.
Anybody got a drink?
This is terrible.
And for buying, eh?
What has become of you, man?
Oh! Embarrassing circumstances, sir. Hard times, everything's gone to rack and ruin. Like some strange curse.
Yeah, our times, sir, 'tis.
Rack and ruin.
Curse. Yeah. All the crops have failed.
Cattle dead.
Cows have slipped their calves.
Yeah, of course.
And I get dismissed! As if it was my fault! Just because I have a little drink now and then! Oh, no! Well, who wouldn't, eh? It's that witch! That she, haven't I tell you? Not yet, my pretty, not yet.